Hi there, Tony Maynard here from diehardforeducation.com, and I'm at Amazon here, and I'm have a look at this. Looking at this BlueRigger premium digital optical audio cable right here for once again again for the home theater system. But this is probably another part of that actually. Yeah, I'd say this is which goes here, see, for the gaming, you see. You got two here, two ports, optical ports, and they're right here. See, right here. So, I mean, you stick those in the back of there. You can use the TV, the Bravia TV, the Sony Bravia TV, 4K Ultra HTV to do your gaming on. So, you can do that too as well. So, I mean, this is what it means, you know. It's not just home theater. It also means also that, you know, this amplifier is has got some functions to it. So yeah, well, as the back of this amplifier shows, you see, there was two of these optical things right here. So and that's where you plug them in. See, yeah, as you plug your 4K TV right in here, right there, right there. You know, see, 4K. That's where you plug your 4K TV in. So you put your in there, and you put your media player. You can put your media player in here too as well. You can use HDMI with that as well. See, because it's got here media player. It's game. See, right there. So you can plug it in there too using HDMI. See, but this optical cable is here. You go here. You put them here. You can put it here. So you know, I'm just telling you that that's the case. You know. And it goes into it's an audio into your machine, your PlayStation or whatever else. Yeah, and that's what it's for, right? And there, well, there's TV audio, so this is part of that. So CBL SAT, see, well, you know, coaxial cable. So I mean, but everything's handled here with the HDMI system. So you know, you don't really need to use any of this stuff really, like I said before. So I'm just doing a here, giving you a heads up on this cable, and probably it's a waste of time, really. So this is a a optical, see, 24K Atosic cable with 24 karat gold plated connectors, CL3 plated, rated in wall, fiber optic for home theater. See, sound bar. See, PlayStation 4, see, and HD TV. See, so there you go. That's for the Sony Bravia and also for your PlayStation 4. See, it's like I said, you know, that's what it's for, right? And for home theater as well. See, which would be through the through the TV, right? So there you go. There you have that, and then it's got some other things here. Yeah, right there. And so another thing, and some universal component compatibility with soundbar, gaming console, cable box, Blu-ray player. So that's another one you can do. You can do it through the back of the Blu-ray player that you'll have for your home theater system. That's where the other end will go. Your speaker and HDTV. So there you go. It's got a few uses. Supports devices with an optical audio port, which this the amplifier has an optical audio port. So So there you go, there it is, the exquisite workmanship. Protective PVC, molded strain relief boot, and optical fiber core. And there's an example of it going in the back of something. I'm not sure what that is, but it's in the back of something. Oh, TV, in the back of a TV, you see. So there you go. And then there's something else. So there it is. This BlueRigger premium digital optical audio cable for your home theatre system. So if you wish to get one, then it's an optional extra which you can go for if you want. If you like this video, click the like button. If you want to see more, click the notification bell, and subscribe to the channel. As for that, I think I'll call that quits now, and I'll say to yourself, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in another video. Just before I go, there's the price there, $12.99 for these cables, for this cable. So that's it, $12.99 for this cable. So there you go. Yeah, and yeah, okay, and that's it. I can go down here a bit, maybe we can find some stuff. And there it's perfect compatibility. See what we've got down here, if there's anything. Nothing. No, nothing. Okay, so that's it. So I'll see you in another video. Okay, bye for now.